Okay, hello everyone. So I'm from group 2. In this group we have four people. So in this group we have me, Kevin Togu, and SAEFUL BAHRI, Rian Aditya, and also FENG. Okay? Okay, in this matrix operation, I will tell you how to sum the matrix, how to multiply the matrix, how to divide also, and how to minus between two matrices. Okay? But the understanding first. Okay? So what I write over here, this is matrix for two row and one column, and this is for two column and two row also. But in this matrix you cannot do the operation. Why? It's because this it's not the same. So if you want to divide or multiply or sum or minus the matrix, the column of this row of this matrix and also the row of this matrix must be the same. So we cannot operate this matrix. How to operate the matrix? We must make like this. For example, this is matrix for two row and two column, and this is matrix for two and same column and same row, the number. Okay, we can do the operation. So first thing first, I will do the sum of this matrix. So the sum of this matrix is, we must do sum the first row and first column of this matrix, and this with this, and also we sum this with this. The second row and second column of this matrix with the second column. The result of this matrix is 4, 1, 4, 4. If you do this, and it's become now it's matrix multiplication. Okay, for this matrix multiplication, I will make an example for two matrix of 2 times 2, 2 row and 2 column. Okay, we can do multiplicate this with this times this with this plus this with this. So 1 times 1 is with this plus 2 times 3. Okay, this is for the first row and first column. This is for the second row and second column. 1 and 2, 1 times 2 plus 2 times 4. Okay, and now for the second row and second row and first row and second column, and this is for the second row and the first column. 3 times 1 plus 4 times 3. 4 times 3. And then 3 times 2 plus 4 times 4. Every time we want to multiplicate this with this, and this with this, or this with this, and this with this, for the second, this with this plus this with this, like that. This. So the result 7, 15, 8, 22. Okay, this is the result for the matrix multiplication. Divide it. Okay, you want to divide it. It's the same with the multiplication. If you want to divide this with this, this with this, so 1 divided by 1 plus 2 divided by 3 and 1 divided by 2 and 2 plus 2 divided by 4 and 3 divided by 1 plus 4 divided by 3, 3 divided by 2 plus 4 divided by 4. From this we can see it's the same with this. It's same, right? Yeah, it's same. 2 and 2, 4 and 4, 3 and 3, and 1. Okay. And here, same also. So that's how it works. And now, how to do the minus for the matrix. Okay. Here, this with this, this with this, this with this, and this with this. 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 and minus 4 is 0. That's the answer. Okay, that's all from me. Matrix operation, thank you.
Hello, my name is Rian. I'm from Group 2. I will explain about the determinant matrix. Okay, this is for example. We got A, B, C. We just do the times this to this, yes, and this to this. And we put the A times to D and minus B to C. And we got the answer. Well, we got 5, 2, and 2, 3. We must do times this to this and this to this. We put the answer 5 times 3 and min 2 times 2. We times 15 and 4 for the answer. 11. Okay, thank you.
My name is Feng Zepeng. Now today I will explain about the augmented matrix method. And now I will use an easy examples to explain about it. At first, we know A equals to the 1, 2, minus 1, minus 3. And we need to find A power to the minus 1 equals what? And at first we use A power to the minus 1 equals to the A, B, C, D. And then we use A and A power to the minus 1 to type it together. And we can get this step 1, 2, minus 1, minus 3 taps to the A, B, C, D equals to the 1, 0, and 0, 1. And in this step, we can know when they tap together, we can get this kind of solutions. It was A plus 2C, B plus 2D, minus A minus 3C, minus B minus 3D equals to the 1, 0, 0, 1. And we can get A plus 2C equals to 1, B plus 2D equals to 0, minus A minus 3C equals to the 0, and minus B minus 3D equals to the 1. And we can get A equals to 3, B equals to 2, C equals to minus 1, D equals to the minus 1. So that's what we can get. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm SAEFUL BAHRI. I'm from Group 2. Now I will show you about the inverse matrix for 2 times 2. 2 times 2 matrix. So before we go to the example of the shortcut for 2 times 2 matrix, we go to the formula itself for the matrix, inverse matrix. First, for the formula itself, inverse matrix is A per 1 forward -1 determine A, which D -C -B. If we look at this example, if we look at this formula, there is inverse in the B and C. B and C. This is inverse. From the beginning is A, B, C, D, and then the B, C, A. So this is the inverse B and C. And then the number itself, it must be negative at the side. Then for the calculate determinant is 1 per 80, and then B per C, then D negative B negative C per A. So this is for the example of the matrix 2 times 2, which is, as we explained before, the formula itself is 1 for AD per EC, and then D negative B negative C and E. Sorry. Then we put the number of this to this. Okay, 1 for A, this is A, B, C, D, A to D, which is 4, and then 2 times 3, which is negative 9. Then we get the result is 1 for negative 2. Okay, and then after this we got the determinant, which is 1 over negative 2. We put this DE to this, which is 4 negative 2, and then negative 3, and then 1. Then after this we got it just times this to each number of in the box. So we got negative minus negative 2 times 4, which is negative 2, and then negative 2 times negative 2, and then we got, so is divided 2, which is 1, and then we got 3 for 1 over 2, which is 3 for 2, okay, and then we got 1 for 2. So this is the result of inverse matrix. I will explain about the definition of the metric and why metric is important in daily life. Metrics is the data that can be organized in row and column and can be represented as metric. In computer science, metrics are used in the projection of three-dimensional image into two-dimensional screen. Scholastic metrics are used by PageRank algorithm. Cryptography is also implemented using metrics. In physics, metrics are applied in optics, quantum mechanics, and electrical circuit. Metrics can also used to represent real-world data like trade or habit of population. Metrics are also applied in economics to study stock market trend and to optimize profit and minimize loss. In chemistry to find quantities in chemical solution, and in genetics to work out the selection process.